Video is going to help you make three different types of cookies. Okay, first we are going to introduce some margarine into our bowl and we'll mix these until everything is very smooth. Make sure you are using a room temperature margarine. When everything is smooth like this, go in with your powdered sugar. If you do not have powdered sugar at home, don't worry, just blend your regular sugar until it's smooth like this and you use it. Now, as we get this consistency, just introduce your egg yolk to it and then you mix this until it's also well combined. Now, let's add our evaporated milk and also vanilla. All the ingredients and their right measurements will be in the description, like always. And you mix this until you get this beautiful paste, just like this. This is just perfect. Now, we are going to sieve our flour onto or into this paste. Okay, first we are sieving the corn flour and also the all-purpose flour, just as you see. This will help trap any foreign materials that may come with the flour. Okay, yes, use a spatula to just mix this until everything is well combined. Just ensure you take your time to mix it. You do not want to use any wicks to do this. Just make sure you use your spatula. Now we are adding the rest of the flour to this and then we combined and everything together until it's all smooth. Thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on this video. If today is your first time, you are welcome, and do not forget to like, share, and if you haven't subscribed, you would love to subscribe so you do not miss out on any video I'll post in the future. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome, and do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments as well. Now I'm taking part of these and I'll set it aside because we'll be using it for a different type of cookies. Alright, now let's just put this in our piping bag just like this, and then we'll be piping this onto our baking sheet. Yes, make sure you grease your baking sheet with some margarine and also add some flour on top. If you do not have baking sheet, baking paper, if you do not have that, make sure you do it this way so that your cookies doesn't get stuck onto your baking sheet. Okay, so just do these two things and you are good to go. Now that you've done this, just go ahead and then make sure that all the flour is able to spread to every corner of your baking sheet. That way your cookies very will not be stuck on it. Pipe this onto it just like this. Make sure you repeat this procedure until you exhaust everything. Okay, now to the fruits. These are some dried fruits, so we are mixing this with the dough, and with this you want to use your spoon or any ice cream spoon to just scoop part of it and then you put it on your baking sheet to bake it. It's that simple and very easy. Like I said, all the measurements and everything will be in the description. This is the fruit and we are going to be baking this. All right, now to the chocolate. I'm just using top choco to do this. It already has some sugar in it, so I do not have to add any extra sugar to this. So with this, just like this, all we are going to do is to also transfer this into a piping bag. If you want it to be very dark, then you might want to add some more, but after this gets done, it will become darker. Okay, now we are just going to also pipe this onto our surface. You can see this baking sheet has no flour. It's just greased with some margarine or butter, just like this. And also, if your margarine has salt in it, you do not have to add any salt to your recipe. So just pipe this onto your baking sheet and you are going to bake this. Every detail you need to make this will be in the description. So this is what we have here, and this is the vanilla one, and look at how beautiful this is. Let's go and check out on the fruit. Okay, this fruit cookie, it tastes so good. Okay, It tastes so good. Just look at this beauty. Now, our chocolate also came out so perfect. If you enjoy this video and you like to see video like this, then please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. So see you on the next one.